In this video, I'll walk you through how to turn on your DJI Drone. If you find this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Transferring files wirelessly via QuickTransfer lets you quickly access high-quality footage from your DJI drone on your phone without needing cables. This saves time and makes sharing or editing content more convenient. To transfer files from your DJI drone to your mobile phone using the DJI Fly app, start by opening the app on your device. Once inside, locate the QuickTransfer link. This link is your gateway to accessing the drone's files. Tap on it, and the app will begin searching for available Wi-Fi devices in the vicinity. From the list of detected devices, select the Wi-Fi network corresponding to your DJI drone. You may need to grant a few permissions for the app to access the necessary features. Once the permissions are provided, your drone will wake up and connect to the Wi-Fi network. Tap Join to establish the connection. Be patient, as it may take a few moments to connect properly. Once the connection is successful, the app will display all the photos and videos recorded by your DJI drone. You can tap on any file to open it. At this point, you will see two download options: full download and trim download. Choose the option that suits your needs. Alternatively, you can long press on a file, select it, and then tap the downward arrow to begin downloading it. As the download starts, you can monitor the progress within the app. Once completed, the file will be saved directly to your mobile device. This is how you can seamlessly transfer and store your drone's footage on your phone for further use or sharing. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.